In this quick video, we're going to see how Paradiso AI can take an AutoCAD image and give you a CNC program for that particular operation. So let's look at it. Let me upload an image of, let's say, this particular file, and I'll tell it to create a CNC program. Create a CNC program for above image for a lathe machine. Now what it's doing is it's processing my command. This is on my mobile, and it's going to take that image, the AutoCAD image, and start writing the CNC program. So here's the output, and once it's ready, we'll be able to see it. It's generating all the output for the CNC program. It's also called G code, and it's still doing it. And once it's done, it will start talking, or we can just copy paste this program. So as you can see, this is the